You having another bath, are you? Wow. There's Zulu. What do you think of Allie having another bath? She just had one. She's gonna have another one. Oh, wet! You're wet again! You're wet again! Wow. Hey, Allie. You wet bird. You're a wet bird. She's a wet bird. She's all wet. She's all wet, Zulu. She's all wet. What do you think? Huh? She's all wet. Oh my. Oh. All right. Wow. Wet girl. It's a wet girl. You are one wet bird. That's Zulu. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, what's with the cat? You are a bird. You're a bird. Bird. Aren't you? No. Yeah. What is Allie doing, Zulu? What's Allie doing? What's Allie doing? Wow. Okay, so that's the second bath you've had today, madam. Oh my. Yeah, well, good thing it's sunny. You can... Oh! Wow. Alfalfa. What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? Whew. All right. Let's go around. Let's go around. Oh my. Yeah. Hi, cutie. Hi, cutie. And there's the gray growler from Zulu. Hi. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Hi, sweetie. You're very wet. You're very wet. Oh, where are you going?